Hello. Today I'm going to talk about Lithuanian verb versti, which has the primary meaning of turn, to turn, or to force. Versti. Okay, so we will have a few examples with how can we use this verb in different sentences. So the first one is aš verčiu kitą knygos puslapį. Aš verčiu kitą knygos puslapį. I am turning to the next page of a book. Yes, so in this case, we are turning, mes verčiame knygos puslapį. Turning a page. The other sentence will be aš verčiu save keltis anksti. Kartais aš verčiu save keltis anksti. In this case, versti is neither to turn, not neither to turn, but it's not to turn, and instead it is to force. I'm forcing myself, and in English we say I am making myself to wake up earlier. Tai aš verčiu save keltis anksti. I am making myself wake up earlier. The third one, priversti. Priversti is to force someone else, is to make someone do something. Priversti. So aš verčiu save keltis, and I could say as well, aš dažnai priverčiu save keltis anksčiau. Or priverčiau jį sustoti. Priverčiau jį sustoti. I made him stop. I forced him to stop. If I was to say aš verčiau jį sustoti, so here we would talk about an action which wasn't completed. Aš verčiau. Aš verčiau, bet nepriverčiau. Okay, I forced him, but I haven't forced him. I haven't completed the action of forcing him to stop or making him to stop. So, aš priverčiau jį sustoti would mean I made him stop. I completed my action of making him stop. Jis privertė mane pagalvoti. Jis privertė mane pagalvoti. So, in Lithuanian we say privertė, like he forced me to think, pagalvoti. In English you would say he made me think. But in Lithuania jis privertė mane pagalvoti. He made me to think. He made me think. He forced me to think. Paversti, number 4, paversti, with the prefix pa, is to convert or to make something into something. Paversti. So, for example, ji pavertė mergaitę į varlę. She converted the girl to a frog. It's like she cast a spell, some witch. Ji pavertė mergaitę į varlę. Or aš paversiu šitus grūdus į miltus. I'll turn these crops into flour. I will make, I'll change, I'll convert, I'll turn these crops into flour. Aš paversiu šiuos grūdus miltais or į miltus. Number 5, užversti. Užversti is to close if we are talking about a book. As an example, užversti knygą, to close a book. Užversti skyrių. Aš užversiu šitą skyrių. I will close this chapter. Užversti. The other case where we can use užversti is when we are talking about obstructing something with something, or swamping something, or blocking up, or overwhelming. For example, aš Užversiu tave įdomiais klausimais. I will overwhelm you, or I will swamp you, I will flood you with interesting questions. Arba jis užvertė auditoriją išmintingais atsakymais. He flooded the audience with wise answers. Or he overwhelmed. Or he, when you throw a lot of something into someone. So, užversti. Number 6. Versti knygą. Jeigu aš verčiu knygą iš anglų kalbos į lietuvių kalbą, it means I'm translating. Versti. Verčiu. So literally would be I'm turning a book from Lithuanian to English, for example. Aš verčiu knygą iš lietuvių kalbos į anglų kalbą, so I'm translating. Jis vertė svečio kalbą į lietuvių kalbą. So kalba and kalba might mean speech is kalba and language is kalba. Jis vertė svečio kalbą į lietuvių kalbą. Iš anglų į lietuvių kalbą. He was translating, or he translated the speech of the guest from Lithuanian to English. Or did they say from English to Lithuanian? Well, whichever way. So, versti, išversti is to translate. And number 7 is to dump. To dump something into some container, for example, or into some pit, into anywhere, into whatever. So, to dump. Aš išversiu šiukšles į konteinerį. I will dump the trash into the container. Aš išversiu šiukšles. Or, šita kompanija verčia šiukšles į vandenyną. This company dumps the trash into the ocean. Verčia. So that's it for today. Of course, there are some other contexts where we can use this verb versti, but for today this is it. Thanks for your attention. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and if possible, support the channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.